August.
29 August, 11 o'clock, Caris Fountain, Sizala Isizwe.
Sisethekwini namhlanje where we are attending a film festival, but we are going to be talking to Mama Dr. Dube program ezanayo that is coming towards this end of the month. Mhlambe nje in few shots, mhlambe shortly introduce yourself, ma.
Sanibonani Umthala TV, the best TV in South Africa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for leli thuba. Igama lami uDaki Dube, ndimkololo walbalani.
Yes, ma'am.
Some ask ukuthi umkololo is what? It means Her Royal Highness. Angiwasebukhosini. All African people basebukhosini vele.
Oh, sebonga kakhulu ma. Siyazi ukuthi ma une program enhle enkulu that you are coming up with. Mhlambe just take us through what is it that you are doing and who do you represent?
Okay. South Africa has finished 7 times of 70-year time periods. There were the different periods from the time we were invaded to colonization to the formation of republics that excluded some, and the time of struggle and the time of not independence but of democracy. We have finished those 7 times. So we are now entering a new season in South Africa. That's why you see that people are doing all sorts of things, trying to show that they are here and they need to be recognized. And that is a cry of the heart to say we need to be formed as a nation. So that is what we are going to be doing on the 29th of August 2026 at Caris Fountain at 11 o'clock. Siyahlangana sonke Sizala Isizwe lesi abantu abasifundayo. We are saying we recognize that it's not yet uhuru. We need to form as a nation. So we are inviting everybody ozwayo ukuthi kukhona okungahlangani la eSouth Africa. Kukhona okungekho right. We are saying come together, let's begin to say how we are going to do that. So on the 29th we are having that a convention, if you like. We are going to be unveiling 7 pillars of a healthy nation. And it's based on the word nations, you know. So N for nationhood. South Africa is different people come together, become a nation. And A is for accountability. We are led by leaders that we love, but they need to account. And T is for truth and justice. The women of 1956, whom we will be celebrating and receiving a baton from, when they gave us freedom, we are now birthing a nation. So we are going to say we are grateful for the truth and justice and security that they have given us. Therefore, we are going to be involved now in governing, because the people shall govern. And O is opportunity. Let there be shared opportunity. Let us begin to collaborate with one another so that we increase opportunities and we enjoy the fruit of that opportunity. And N is now. Now is the time to do that. Today we are birthing that nation. God says a wonderful thing. He says, can I bring a woman to labor and shut up the womb? No, but a nation can be born in one day. So today we are birthing that nation. And S says, sawubona. Sawubona baba, sawubona mama, sawubona ngiyakubona nguuntu nawe untu masakheni ndawonye. So if we are going to be a nation, those are the 7 pillars on which we are building a nation. And they come from sources that are already then in government. We're not replacing government. We are enhancing what government has already said in NDP 2030, in the Constitution, the Freedom Charter, and everything that the Bible and different scriptures. This is what we are saying. We want to become a nation. And those are the 7 pillars that we are going to be unveiling and asking everybody and inviting everybody, become a nation builder. Begin la ukhona ungaxwayi nongaqwasi.
Yes. Yeah.
Especially the documented members, citizens of South Africa. Let us, yes, in the human race, but in South Africa as well. Let's see one another as one people and begin to build together. We are Sizala Isizwe.
Mhlambe on this day, Ma, what is expected? What will people expect to
experience?
See? What will they be expected to do when they arrive?
Yes.
And what is like expected of people?
Of people,
right,
yes.
And expected of the program itself.
Yes. Oh, first thing come. Siyanmema itheko lonke namaphethelo siyanmema. Wozani, Caris Fountain is accessible. Uziphathele wena ukudla kwakho nokuphuza kwakho okungadaki. The program is not going to be very long, but we are going to have artists, so because of that then we might finish at 5, but otherwise it's meant to be the program itself is 3 hours from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, starting at 11 siyafika senza zonke izinto. 12-1-2, in fact 12-1-2 is that program. 3-4 maybe 5 ukunandisa kwakhona. What you are expecting is, one, to see a united South Africa, people from different walks of life coming together. That's number one. Number two, you are expecting to see the nation building charter being unveiled. We've had the Women's Charter, we've had the Freedom Charter. The government has come up with a service providing charter. As citizens, we are coming with a charter to say, we are the citizens of South Africa, and this is how we see South Africa. These are the pillars that will build us. So those 7 pillars will then be unveiled. People will receive pamphlets that have them. They can take them home and frame them, so that 70 years later, when everybody usayawacula lama 7 uzothi mina ngangikhona nayi ipamphlet yakhona. You're going to be seeing descendants of the 1956 women. Yes, Umam Helen Joseph's descendants, Umam Rahima Musa's descendants, Umam Sophia de Brain's descendants. Helen Joseph does not have descendants, will be represented. We are going to be seeing them on the stage, and they will then take a baton. They will be honored by us. We will give them trophies to honor them for the work of their ancestors, and then they will then give us a baton from their parents and say, we gave you freedom, now build a nation. So we will receive the baton of nation building, and then we will say, what does a nation look like? And those will be those 7 pillars. We will have someone who also khuthaza ngezwi. We will have the mayor receive us, and then we will have someone who comes from a big background of racism of the Botha family, who is going to stand up and say, I realized that my parents were instrumental in this, what we call apartheid and racism, and I have learned ukuthi umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. We are all the same, and I am one who is an anti-racist. And sizocela abantu ukuthi asihlubuleni lezi ngubo zama-racists. Engathi simbathiswa uNkulunkulu kanti simbathiswa abantu. Inkinga yazo lezi ngubo ukuthi zivele zi-affect ingqondo zethu. Uma ngizothi wena you're a black person, it removes you from your country. You're just black, uyantanta somewhere. I would belong in Dao. But uma ngizothi umZulu, uyazi ubani. Uma ngizothi you're a South African, you know where your country is. And so we are going to say to people, take off ingubo yokuba black, ingubo yokuba white, ingubo yokuba colored, ingubo yokuba Indian, and just become umuntu and be a South African.
Because Nalo black is associated with all negative things.
Oh, black magic.
When black magic, black whatever. And,
yes.
And even when the people are going to the funeral, they wear black. So it means...
Exactly. You are always grieving. It means we are always grieving our things are never good. And the worst thing is that then white is associated with all good things. So when you feel like you're associated with the bad things, the other people, so it also stops your aspiration to become better. And it also forces us to associate according to the color spectrum, and we should associate as human beings, as those created in the image of God. Kumina kunomoya kaNkulunkulu ongumfanekiso kaNkulunkulu okuwena, so wena uwumina, mina nguwena. We should build a nation together.
Thank
you.
Let's remind the people again the date.
29 August, the end of the month, the Saturday of the end of the month, before hola. Imali yakho yokugcina gibela ngayo uze to sow a seed to build a nation. On the 29th of August, Caris Fountain, ngase DUT, Caris Fountain Stadium, and it is at 11 o'clock. There's parking within the stadium itself if you're driving a car. Otherwise, by public transport is quite easily accessible. Waza qala 11 o'clock fika uzothola ukuthi sesiyaqala siyanandisa siyathandaza siyabonga kunabantu bonke abahlukahlukene esizobabiza ngenhlelo zabo, and we're just going to unveil the nation that has been born. On the 8th of August was when we actually gave birth to the nation. Yes, so on the 29th we are now unveiling the nation to the people.
Also to destigmatize the day as the Women's Month.
Yes.
What would you say to the men that are part of the nation that are
definitely we are calling the men. Look, the women of 1956 marched for their men. They marched for their men, they marched for their children, and they said we will not rest until freedom, justice and security are experienced by our children. We, men, women, sons, daughters, are all the children of those people. So sicela wonke umuntu wesilisa wesifazane ingane umkhulu umama wozani nonke, you are welcome to come. In fact, we are looking for you to come because sifuna isizwe sabantu bonke, and we sivala inyanga abantu besifazane, and we need our men. There is no nation without the men.
The perception that can also come around is Dr. Dube is speaking of Mthandazo. How about abantu abakholelwa kwisintu?
Yes.
Aba ngabantu.
Yes.
Where we actually come from before Christianity comes.
Yes.
What is their role in this day, and is there any provision for them also to come to exhibit untu?
Yes.
Isintu.
Umuntu uyakholwa. Ngoba umuntu uyazazi ukuthi uvela kumvela ngqanqi.
Yes.
Uyazazi. Umuntu uzibona umfanekiso wakhe komunye umuntu. So vele ukuthi sakhe isizwe kuubuntu lobo. Abukho ubuntu obudlula lobo, ngoba abantu kuphela abakwazi ukubona ukuthi noma singafani sonke singuntu.
Yes.
So wonke umuntu mengithi ukuthandaza kwenziwa yibo bonke abantu ngendlela abayenza ngayo.
I like that.
So
That is what I'm
bonke
emphasizing.
abeze abantu sizokhuleka ngendlela okhuleka ngayo wena, bese sibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi sinesizwe sakha isizwe.
Igama le program again, man.
Sizala Isizwe.
Siyabonga. 29 August.
11 o'clock. Caris Fountain. Sizala Isizwe.
Nathi Umthala TV sathembisa ma
Sizobe
sikhona
siyabonga.
sizozala
Isizwe.